Alright. Hey guys, Jake here. As you're looking at is the decals for my car. There's my ID and all that good shit. Those were $4 each. And these were $4. So 14. And what I was trying to say was it's around maybe it's 11:18 at night, and I got back from driving around 10:40. Around that time, yeah, it was around like 10:40, and I don't know, it was fun. I was driving in the dark. And as you know, that was my first time ever driving in the dark. And it was a good experience. I would say, don't be afraid to drive in the dark. And I drove in rain a few days ago with my instructor. But that's over with. I'm done with the instructor. And now I'm going to pretty much drive with whoever's 21 and older. 3 years of experience. And as long as it's a car that I can drive, it's automatic, and well, not just automatic, but like I don't know, not a rental, not a commercial vehicle, nothing humongous. But tomorrow I'm gonna try taking this camera out and show you some my driving. Alright guys, peace.